In this tutorial, I'll show you how to organize your life with ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clean ClickUp setup with spaces for work, personal, and health, lists for daily, weekly, and goals, tasks for everything with due dates, reminders, priorities, and recurring schedules, your goals tracked, your schedule and calendar view, and a simple routine to review and update your progress. First, create your spaces. On the left sidebar, click the plus icon next to spaces, then create a space named work. Repeat to create personal and again for health. Pick simple colors or icons if you want, then click create. These spaces are your top level areas and you can adjust details later if needed. Next, create your lists. Open the workspace, click new list, and name it daily. Create another list named weekly and a third list named goals. I now do the same inside personal and again inside health. Daily, weekly, goals. You'll now have the same structure in each space, which keeps everything consistent and easy to navigate. Now, add tasks for everything. Open the daily list in one of your spaces, click New Task, and type the task name. Press Enter to add more quickly. Add every action you need to remember: calls, errands, workouts, planning, or focus blocks, placing each task into the right space and list so it lives where it belongs. If you think of something later, just click the plus button again and add it. Nothing here is permanent, and you can edit any task at any time. Set due dates and reminders. Click a task to open it, then click the due date field. Choose the date, and if needed, set a time. Turn on reminders here so ClickUp notifies you before it's due. Pick a reminder time that gives you enough lead time to act. Click Save and repeat for your other tasks. This ensures every task appears on your schedule and doesn't slip. Use priorities to stay focused. Inside a task, click the priority flag and choose high, medium, or low. Mark the few items that truly must get done as high. Keep most work as medium and set nice to have items to low. You can sort or filter by priority later, so set this now to make daily decisions faster. Create recurring tasks for anything that repeats. Open a task like daily planning, click the due date, then choose repeat. Select the frequency, daily, weekly, or monthly, and set when it should recur. Confirm the settings and save. ClickUp will automatically add the next instance on schedule, so you never have to recreate routine tasks. Track goals in the goal section. On the left sidebar, click goals, then new goal. Name the goal, choose a time frame, and save. Add targets to the goal. These are the measurable pieces you'll complete. You can link tasks from your goals list so progress updates as you finish work. This connects your day-to-day tasks with your bigger outcomes. Use calendar view for your schedule. Open a space or all tasks, then switch to calendar view from the top. You'll see tasks plotted by due date. Click a task to adjust its time or drag it to another day to reschedule. Switch between week and month to plan at the right level. If the calendar looks crowded, use filters to show just one space or list so you can focus. Review tasks daily. Each morning, open your daily lists and your calendar. Check what's due today and what's coming up. If something no longer fits, open the task and move the date or lower the priority. Confirm your high priority items for the day so you know exactly where to start. Update progress regularly. As you complete work, open tasks and mark them complete or move their status to done. If details change, update the due date, reminder, or priority so your system stays accurate. Then visit the goals section and log progress on your targets. Keeping everything current is what makes this ClickUp setup reliable. That's it. Your ClickUp system for organizing your life is now set up and working, with spaces, lists, tasks, dates, reminders, priorities, recurring schedules, goals, and a clear calendar and review routine. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.